Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Ramis and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. My subject is social science and today in this session we are going to learn the part 6 of chapter number 2, that is cultural heritage of India, traditional handicraft and fine arts. Now today our topic is dramatic art. Presenting Presenting sanskar with what? With the entertainment is the unique feature of the Indian dramatic art. It means the entertainment was done, but in entertainment, the sanskar, the ethics is there. So here it is said that the entertainment was done with sanskar is a unique feature of dramatic art of India. Apart from this, anchor and funny pair of clowns entertain audience. So this was there, that entertainment was done with sanskar, and in the Indian dramatic art, anchor with funny pair of clowns entertain the audience. Natya Shastra by Bharat Muni is well known in the field of art. Dramatic art, writing of drama and performance of drama along with the audio visual aids. Visual aids means help. This trio hold the capacity to entertain the people of all the age group. So here pay attention. Dramatic art, writing of drama and performance of drama with what? With the audio and video. These are the three trio holds the capacity to entertain the people of all the age group. Dramatic art is an amalgamation. Amalgamation means mixture of all the arts. Describing it, Bharat Muni says, there is no book, there is no sculpture, there is no knowledge, there is no deed which is lacking in drama. It means Bharat Muni appraised the dramatic art. He said there is no book, there is no sculpture, there is no knowledge which is lacking in drama. It means drama includes everything. Okay. The first drama of Bharat Muni was Devasur Sangram. In Sanskrit literature, we have various well-renowned dramatists. Bhas is the poet of poets among them. Okay? Bhas is the poet of poets among them. Which literature we are talking about? Sanskrit literature. He has bequeathed us drama like who has Bhas. Bequeathed means to give. The dramas such as Karnabhar, Urubhanga, Dutvakyam, based on what? Based on Mahabharat. So that's why it is proved that entertainment was done but with sanskar ethics. Whereas Kalidas, the foremost poet, gifted us plays means dramas like Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Vikramovarshiyam, Malvikagnimitram. So Kalidas have also given the what dramas such as Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Vikramovarshiyam, Malvikagnimitram. Apart from above, many dramatists came and enriched the dramatic art of Sanskrit literature. Now in this para, it is given about the dramatic art contribution of Gujarat area. See, the name of Jay Shankar Sundari is the foremost in the dramatic art of Gujarati. And besides Jay Shankar Sundari, Amrut Nayak, Bapulal Nayak, Deena Pathak, Jashwant Thakkar, Upendra Trivedi, Praveen Joshi, Deepak Ghiwala are the remarkable playwright. They are also the person who had given the contribution in the dramatic art. They are the persons who write the drama. There is a great contribution of the regional and other drama institution in this field. Now we are going to learn about Bhavai Act. Script writers have said that Bhavai is emotion oriented drama. Is what? Emotion oriented drama. It is a special dramatic art that started how many years old? 700 years ago. And who had done this? Asai Thakkar. Okay. This art, which has been providing public education, this art of Bhavai is giving the public education along with the entertainment. Entertainment is done, but it is giving some knowledge to the public, to the audience, at which thing, at the economical rate, promoted during which era? Solanki era. It was chiefly performed without curtain. It was performed without curtains, with light humor, and with the music playwright playing on trumpet. So how the Bhavai drama was played? The Bhavai drama is played without curtains, with light humor, and they used to play the music on trumpet. Now see the next thing. Characters who are playing this drama, they disguise. Disguise means they change their attire in the form they take the form of Ramdev, Janda Julan, Kajora, etc. are the main features of Bhavai. Theme of Bhavai includes protest against social vices. In the theme of Bhavai, they are saying that theme of the Bhavai drama is to protest, is to go against which things? Social vices, the things which are going evil, things which are going in society. So against the evil thing of the society, the Bhavai used to protest. The characters like Rangla Rangli are used to promote programs like girls' education, then Save Girl Child, etc. So here the Bhavai dramatic art is playing an important role about giving the knowledge to the society. Here by the characters like Rangla Rangli, they promote the girls' education and Save Girl Child. Those who perform the Bhavai play, those who perform this Bhavai play trumpet and pray the goddess by reciting hymn. Here it means that the performer of the Bhavai play the trumpet and they pray to the goddess. Now our topic is tribal dance. Tribal dance of Gujarat is seen at the time of festival, marriages, fairs, and to please the what? God and goddess. So people of tribal areas and communities perform this tribal dance during the time of festivals, marriage, when there is a fair, and they also do this dance to please the god and goddess. Most of the dances are performed by forming a what? By forming a circle, along with various traditional musical instruments. They use the traditional old musical instrument, which are the musical instrument they use. They use the drum, they use the traditional manjira, they use thali, they use dholak with song, and they used to perform this in which language? In their regional language. So here it is said that this tribal dance is performed by forming a circle, and they use the traditional musical instruments such as drum, traditional manjira, thali, dholak, and they used to sing the song in the which language? In their particular area in which they are living, regional, in their own regional language. In the dance form known as Chado, characters imitate means copy the different bird creature. The characters who are performing the dance, they copy the bird creature like peacock, squirrel, and sparrow. Dance like Malino Chalo and Takrayo Chalo are seen in which area? Are seen in the Dang area of Gujarat. We will see it once again. In the dance form known as Chado, characters imitate, copy the different bird creatures such as peacock, squirrel, and sparrow. Okay, Dances like Malina Chalo and Takrayo Chalo are seen in Dang area of Gujarat, whereas Tippani dance of laborer performed by which community? Bhil and Koli community. Tippani dance performed by laborer, and which community perform this dance? Bhil and Koli. Dancers perform dance in group on the set of thick sticks which are joined with small sticks that stuck to the ground. So here it means that in this dance the dancer dance in the group on the set of thick sticks which are joined with the small sticks, and then they strike the sticks on the floor and dance. Now our topic is Garba. The word Garba is derived from the Garbi. It means that the word Garba is derived from the Garbdeep, that is Garb lamp. Earthen lamp is placed in a whole earthen pot. Dancers keep it on their heads and move around in the circle. So, in this form of dance of Garba, the dancer keep an earthen lamp in a whole earthen pot, and then they keep the pot on their head and dance by moving around in a circle. Garba are performed during which festival? Navratri festival in all the parts of Gujarat. Gujarati people perform and sing Garba to worship and pray Adya Shakti, that is to the mother Jagdamba. Generally, it is performed in the open ground encircling to the Mandvi, kept in the center of the ground along with the strokes of hands and beats of drum. Generally, the Garba is performed in the open ground and encircling the Mataji's Mandvi. The dancers strike hand and dance on the beats of drums and dhols. Gujarati poetry known as Garba and Garbi are chiefly associated with Krishna Bhakti. Gujarati poetry that is known as Garba and Garbi, which are basically associated with Krishna Bhakti. Gujarati poet Dayaram wrote poems in Gujarati which made ladies sing the colorful and emotional Garbi of Lord Krishna's love. So, Gujarati poem Dayaram wrote several poems based on Lord Krishna's love for Radha, and the female singers of Gujarat are mesmerized with these poems, and they sing them during the time of Garba. Ras. Ras is a dance to be performed in circle along with singing. Ras is a form of dance which is performed in circle and along with singing. There is a story that Lord Krishna had shown Ras Leela to devotee Narsi Mehta. It is believed that Lord Krishna had shown Ras Leela to his devotee Narsi Mehta. Ras is mostly performed in Gujarat, and during which festival? Navratri and Janmashtami. Dandiya Ras is one of its type. Its one form is Dandiya Ras. But some people perform Ras by placing the earthen pot on the head. Some perform it by placing the earthen pot on the head. Due to increasing influence of Vaishnav sect, Ras has become more popular. Ras has become more popular with the spread of the Vaishnav sect. Women wear traditional dresses like embroidered chanya choli, and men wear embroidered kedia and dhoti when they perform the Ras. So here it is said that women wear the traditional attire of embroidered chanya choli, whereas the men wear the embroidered kedia and dhoti while playing Ras, as you can see in the above picture. Now we are going to learn the other dances of Gujarat. In that, the first is Gauf Gunthan dance. It is performed on drum beats and tal and laya of music. Gauf Gunthan is one of the folk dance in Gujarat, and wherein people dance on the rhythm of drum and Tal and Laya music. They tie the rope with the what? With the mandap, pillar, tree, and holding the other hand in the hand. So as you can see, they tie one of the end of the rope here above on the mandap, pillar, and other side of the rope are there in their hand. They perform dance in a group holding the rope in one hand and dandiya in the other. So when they perform the dance, they in the one hand they have the rope and in the other hand they have the dandiya. They make creeper like formation going one circle, one inside and other coming outside. So here you can see two groups. One group go inside and the other group come outside. They do this in continue formation. This is repeatedly done. I told you that they do this repeatedly. One group go inside and another group come outside. This way they make and open the gunthan, and this way they open the warrior. You can see the gunthan. Okay, this style of dance is called which dance? Gof gunthan dance. Dhamal dance of Siddhis. Siddhis people presently residing, they live in where? In the Jambur village. It is in the center of Gir forest. Okay, originally belonged to the Africa. They perform this dance. So basically, you have to know that these people are living in a Gir forest, and from where they have came from Africa, and they are residing now in India. Okay. Now the next thing, they perform by rhythmically striking the mashira, coconut shell containing the what? Earthen lamp inside, covered with a cloth. They wear the what? You can see in the image above, they wear the peacock feather and holding a small drums in the hand, forming a circle. They dance with high and low pitch. They dance with what? High pitch of voice and low pitch of voice, and they high pitch and low pitch intonation, and they make the sound ho ho, which echoes in the whole forest. They dance in a group, imitating. Imitating means they are copying the voice of what? They are copying the voice of animals and birds. Now this topic is the last topic of the chapter. Here we are going to learn about Merayo dance, Padhar dance. Here spelling mistake is there. It's not Kali, it's Koli dance and Mer dance. So in this first paragraph from here to here, we are going to learn about Merayo dance. This type of dance is seen in the step well, near the step well of Banaskantha region. So here it is said that this Merayo dance is performed, and that dance you can see by the people who are residing in the Banaskantha region. Toran woven with the tall grass of reed and junjadi. This dance is performed on drum beats and sword tricks. So you can see this image. In this image you can see the people are having the sword in their hand. So this image shows how the people of Banaskantha region are performing the Merayo dance. This type of dance is called Merayo dance. Now in this second paragraph we are going to learn about the dance form performed by the Padhar community, that is called as a Padhar dance. In Surendranagar region, the people of Padhar community. Which region? Surendranagar. People of which community? Padhar community dance with Tal and Laya of Dandiya and Manjira. While dancing, they generate the what? They generate the scene like sea waves or like a ship which is moving on sea waves. Okay. Once again we will see Padhar dance in Surendranagar region by the Padhar community. They dance with Tal and Laya of Dandiya and Manjira. While dancing, they generate scene like what? Sea waves or like a ship which is moving on the sea waves. Kolis of Saurashtra perform the Koli dance. Holding the madrasyo, which is colorful cloth for tying on head and headgear, that is turban, decorated with embroidery and mirror tied with green color embroidery belt. So they hold the madrasyo on hand. Turban is decorated with embroidery and they wear the green color embroidery belt. They wear bait on their waist to perform the dance. You can see in this image you can see on the waist they are wearing the blue color cloth, and that is known as bait. Similarly, the Mair dance of Saurashtra and other dance of Barbar tribe are well known. As we discussed in the previous chapter, here also we find that Indian culture is universal and assimilating all. In the previous chapter number 1 also we have seen that Indian culture is welcoming culture, and in this chapter also we have seen some of the examples by which we can say Indian culture is welcoming culture. As a result of arrival of the various tribes, as a result of the arrival of the different tribes since ancient time, from the ancient time to contemporary one till now, many changes occur, and like growth and development of handcraft, home artistry, painting, dancing, and various other fine arts. This shows the rich and varied culture heritage of India, and it leaves permanent impression of India on the horizon of the world. Here we complete the chapter number 2, that is traditional handcrafts and fine arts. Students, the questions which are given in the exercise, you have to write the answers of it in your notebook. Now we will discuss the MCQs, exercise MCQs, which are given over here. So here you can see the MCQ, the first question: which of the following is a work of Kalidas? The option will be C, Meghdut. Second question: with which dance style are Vaijayantimala and Hema Malini associated? The option will be D, answer, Bharatnatyam. The third question: which Veda is associated with music? The answer will be option B, that is Samved. Now the fourth question: who is known as Tote-i-Hind in the field of Indian music? The answer to this question is option D, Amir Khusro. Now fifth question: Chado dance means which dance? The option A, that is tribal dance, is the correct answer of this question. Now question number 6: Siddhis, the dancer of Dhamal dance, were native of where? So we know that they have came from where? Which country? Africa. So option will be C, Africa. Now the question number 7: on which day is the World Yoga Day celebrated? The answer to this question is option A, 21st June.